This is a demonstration of the reporting a leaseholder repair process. So we start with the common page, which is for tenants, leaseholder and communal journeys. We click on Start Now to report a repair. Now this is the same for all journeys, so anything that is an emergency is directed out as soon as possible as an emergency, even though it may be leaseholder. But I'm going to go for it something else because this is a non-urgent repair. It is not a communal area. And because I'm a leaseholder, I don't pay rent to the council. So my property postcode is this one. Okay, and then I'm going to select my address from the drop-down list. Now, in the background, what we have are three different sets of address lists. We have three tables, one for leaseholder, one for communal, and one for tenants. This ensures that we're taking the right addresses and displaying the right addresses for the different types. So if you have got an individual database that has there's appropriate differentiations and markers between the different types, as well as the other information that's needed, especially when it comes to tenants about the actual status of the property, whether it's a new build, so under warranty, or in a right to buy status, you could use that from a sort of single source. So with leaseholder, you can have a whole different set of SOR codes. Realistically, the list is quite significantly reduced because the leaseholder is responsible for the majority of repairs. What I will do is select that it's going to be an outside area and it's a roof issue. At which point I'll select that it's a leak. Again, it has the three-stage process. For this one, you would need to telephone. So it just shows you the telephone. Or we've got some loose tiles. So again, you can describe the problem in more detail. So we've got 4 loose tiles on the top section above my flat. Again, character limit is limited by what DRS is capable of holding, which is 250. Select continue. Now I'm not going to choose a photo because I've not bothered to take one. And again, it will then show me what repairs appointments are available. I can select my time slot. Continue. Now this time, actually, let's do a text message again. And then continue. And yes, they can call me if there's an issue. And then you get it similar to the tenant journey. You get a summary of what the problem is, when the appointment is, and it's at this point where you request repair that the appointment is reserved, sent over to the DRS system, and the appointment booked in. Text message confirmation or email confirmation of the appointment with that reference number is sent through to the reporter, or whoever whoever's contact details are provided. That number can then be used to either amend or cancel appointment as required.